The second mode of reproduction is asexual reproduction. You see, the simpler organisms which are made up of only one cell or few cells, but there is no differentiation, there is no special type of cells, they show very simple type of reproduction, and that is asexual reproduction. Have you heard about the animal amoeba or paramecium? They both belong to protozoa. Proto means simple, zoa means animals. These animals are unicellular and they can live independently, and they are found in water. Now let us see how amoeba reproduces. See, this is the structure of an amoeba. It is a single cell, irregular shape, there is a prominent nucleus and there is cytoplasm. In class 7 you studied how amoeba feeds. Now how it reproduces. First of all, the nucleus divides. Now why first nucleus should divide? Why not cytoplasm? The reason is that it is the nucleus which is the controlling structure, and an organism or a cell cannot survive without nucleus. If first there will be division of cytoplasm, then one part or one cell will be without nucleus. How will it survive? It is something like if a family breaks up into two families, then which part should first break up? Obviously the kitchen or the business, so that the survival can take place. So here also first nucleus divides, and also we find there is a narrowing down of the cell from the center. This narrowing down is called constriction. Let me write it boldly. See, whenever you are making diagrams or labeling, make bold diagrams and write bold labels. Now we can clearly see there are two nuclei in the cell, and in the center there is a constriction. This keeps on deepening, and finally what we get is two cells which are slightly smaller in size and with proper nucleus. Each one has a nucleus. So slowly it grows in size, and then each cell is again able to divide. Now this kind of reproduction is called binary fission. Binary means two. Fission simply is breaking up of a cell. But you know, sometimes amoeba does not only divide once, or the nucleus does not only divide once, it divides many times. So many small daughter cells are formed and they remain inside the mother cell, and only later when the conditions are favorable, all the cells are released. Now here, because more than two cells are formed, it is called multiple fission. So basically the simple process is that the mother cell, this is called the parent cell or the mother cell. So what will be the steps? First nucleus divides, second constriction appears, third constriction deepens, fourth the two cells are just pinched off, and from one cell we have got two cells. So it has multiplied or it has reproduced.